There have been some disappointing rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, particularly about its chipset. Initially, it was said that the phone might use two different chips, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the less impressive XOS 2400. This was surprising, as Samsung's foldable phones don't usually have different chips. However, a reliable source now brings some good news. It seems that every Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This means that the powerful Snapdragon chip IP won't be just India, like Samsung is saying. Galaxy S24. Samsung will use this chipset in other regions as well. They have taken this decision to avoid problems seen with the XOS 2400, such as fast battery drain and cellular connectivity issues. Although the XOS chip has performed well in benchmark tests, the Snapdragon chip is better for graphics performance. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, users can expect great performance and efficiency from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This decision also ensures that users around the world will have a consistent experience overcoming any regional differences. Since fewer sources are mentioning the XOS, it seems that only the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will use a Snapdragon chip. This makes sense, as Samsung usually uses Snapdragon chips in its Z Flip models. In addition, Samsung has significantly improved the cover screen in the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and has increased it from a small 1.9 inches to 3.4-inch display. The Z Flip 4 and Z Flip 3 screens of the three. A leak from Glocks states that the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have an even bigger 3.9-inch external screen with Gorilla Glass armor protection. Samsung is also expected to upgrade the main screen to 6.7 inches. Hinge improved the internal layout and cooling system. The Flip 6 will reportedly come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and up to 12 GB of RAM, marking the first time Samsung offers more than 8 GB of RAM in the Flip series, as is always the case with leaks and rumors. Until Samsung confirms details with the new Flip 6 at the next Galaxy Unpacked event scheduled for early July, it is best to stay cautious. Samsung is also expected to showcase the Galaxy Fold 6 and their first smart ring, Galaxy Ring. Stay tuned for more updates. See you next time on the channel. Take care and keep peace. So what do you guys think about it? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions,